Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the LinkedIn Sales Navigator app functions, its key features for sales professionals and businesses, and whether it's a practical tool for enhancing lead generation and sales outreach. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is designed for advanced prospecting by giving users access to enhanced search filters, lead recommendations, and detailed insights into potential buyers. Once you open the app, you're presented with a feed tailored to your saved leads and accounts. You can view updates like job changes, shared posts, and company news, allowing you to engage at the right time with relevant context. The app syncs with your LinkedIn profile, but offers more targeted options specifically for B2B sales efforts. One of the most valuable features is the advanced lead search. You can filter prospects by company size, role, seniority level, geography, industry, and more. This helps narrow down ideal buyers with precision. Another key tool is the ability to save leads and accounts to track them over time. You'll get alerts when these leads engage on LinkedIn or make key updates. The app also offers integration with CRM systems, such as Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics, so sales teams can maintain up-to-date records without switching platforms. Sales Navigator also highlights mutual connections and shared interests to support warmer introductions. In-mail messaging is included, which allows direct communication with LinkedIn users, even if they're outside your network. This is especially useful for sales reps trying to reach decision makers who don't typically accept cold connection requests. Additionally, users can see who has viewed their profile, offering more insight into potential interest from leads. Despite its strengths, there are a few drawbacks. The app can feel limited compared to the desktop version, especially when it comes to customizing lists or accessing full analytics. It also requires a paid subscription, which might not suit individual users or small teams with limited budgets. Some users also note that in-mail response rates vary, so it's important to complement outreach with a solid strategy. Overall, the LinkedIn Sales Navigator app is a powerful resource for sales professionals looking to improve their targeting and outreach. It works best for teams that are actively prospecting in a B2B environment and want to leverage LinkedIn's professional network. If you already use LinkedIn heavily for business development, this app can significantly enhance your workflow. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.